After nearly 2 months under lockdown, some people are going back to their normal way of life. Even as cases grow in many places, Texas saw its biggest one-day surge. States are still loosening restrictions. CBS's Janet Shamlian joins us tonight from Houston. Janet?
Nora, the nation took big steps towards reopening today, including here in Texas, where gyms like BFit in Houston are open, though at limited capacity. Restrictions are easing for more than 2/3 of the country, even though only 2 states have met the federal guidelines for reopening.
They're parking on the sidewalk.
From this massive party in Central Florida, several officers hurt breaking it up, to these jam-packed beaches and boardwalks in New Jersey.
After like 60-something days indoors, it's nice to soak up the sun back on the beach.
Frustration as social distancing orders are ignored.
Open New Jersey now!
And protests growing in areas still locked down.
We've got to enforce this, but I also don't want to start World War III.
Florida will soon allow vacation rentals again, except the governor says for visitors from the pandemic's epicenter.
If you tell me you're going to rent them out to people from New York City, I'm probably not going to approve that, okay?
In Texas, child care services can reopen immediately. Bars, bowling alleys, and zoos on Friday, except for a few COVID hotspots.
Texas is prepared to move into phase 2 for further opening up for business.
The announcement comes amid an outbreak in the Panhandle, officials say is due to more testing at meatpacking plants. The big 3 automakers restarted production today with mandatory temperature checks for about 83,000 workers at 48 plants across 8 states.
We're kind of excited about getting back. It's like we storming the beach on Normandy, you know what I'm saying?
But the crush to the economy growing. Uber today cutting another 3,000 jobs, closing 45 offices. Sports are back. NASCAR ran this 400-mile race in South Carolina without fans in the stands. The names of healthcare workers fighting the virus, replacing drivers' names on their cars.
It was great for our sport, but I think it was great for sports in general.
High fly ball.
Major League Baseball announced when it returns, new rules include no spitting, showers, hugs, or high fives.
Swing and a miss.
And necessity, the mother of invention for a Maryland restaurant. A table that looks water-worthy for socially distant dining, 6 feet apart. Here in Texas, the governor says professional sports like golf, tennis, auto racing can resume at the end of the month. And tonight, Notre Dame University has announced it will start its fall semester early and end it early before Thanksgiving, just as the flu season is starting. Nora?
College is trying to figure it out. All right, Janet, thank you.